So let me show you how to do an amazing 3-strand infinity braid. So I'm just doing it down the center of the head today. So we're going to start by separating Danina's hair, like so, even on both sides. So this is the section that we've decided to braid today. You can do all the hair, you can go straight to the nape of the neck, but I've just come to the crown at the back. So next I'm just going to spray some wax spray. Now this is where Danina is going to get a bit of an arm workout, because I can do this braid by myself, but I think for a lot of people it's really difficult. So I've tried to really simplify it today. So hopefully everybody can have a go. So you're going to start off by taking a section of hair, dividing it into 3. You do need to make sure that these sections are as long as you can. And I'm going to divide this into 3. I'm going to make the middle piece a little bit thicker. I just like the look of the braid, with the middle piece being a little bit thicker. So that's long enough there, I can see. And that's long enough there. So Danina is going to be holding the outside sections, and you want these to be held quite wide, okay, to really get a good width to this braid. So Danina's going to hold this for me, one there, quite tight as well, guys. I need to have a bit of tension on these because I'm going to be fighting against them. So you're going to pick up a slice of hair from the head, and that one's already kind of come underneath this one. So then we're going to go over the middle, under this one, back around, like so. Then we're going to pick up another slice of hair and join that in. So a little slice, don't get lazy, don't take a massive chunk. And you've added that into the strand now. Now we're going to go under the middle and over on this side. We're going to add in again. Now we're going to come under, over. So you're just going to keep repeating this process. It's going to go over, under, back around. Under, over, back around. So one good way to remember where you're going with this middle bit, so I'm adding in here, is if the last strand I went over, which I can see, on this strand I'm coming under. So I'm going over the middle, back around. Adding a really small slice of hair, going under the middle and then back around. And it's creating this amazing like weave effect. Over the middle this time, back around. We're on the last few sections, and then I'm going to do a few stitches of the braid without adding in any hair. So I'll make this the last one here. So I'm taking it under and over, and now I'm just going to continue but without adding in any hair at all. So just going round and round and round, under, over, over, under. And I'm just going to kind of do this until I run out of hair. So I'm going to attach these two together to start with, to really secure the braid with a little elastic. And then I'll take these off Danina. She will be very happy to hear that. She's had a proper workout there. And I'll just secure these again just to make sure that nothing slips. So I'm looking for a really, really snatched ponytail today. So I'm going to actually do it in sections. So this section first, I'm going to use some wax spray. I will put the link to my Amazon shop in the description if you want to purchase this wax spray. It is a really good one, to be fair, and really affordable actually. So I'm just using my back comb brush to really, can you see the tension that I'm getting? To really pull that hair up like that. And then I'm going to take the ponytail braid and help me anchor this by joining that onto the ponytail braid. And then the last one, we're just going to drag this hair up, and then I'm just going to cover the ponytail with hair. So I'm just wrapping the hair around this ponytail, pinching that at the back, using an elastic to secure it. Little bit of back comb, guys, just to give that ponytail a bit of volume, because a lot of the hair gets used up in a infinity braid. So I always like to just kind of go into the ponytail and just give it a bit of help. Absolutely love the detail in this braid. And I'm just going to spin Deneen around so you can just kind of get that side angle as well. I love this smooth bit here, coming around to the ponytail. I just think it looks so interesting. It's just a different, interesting style. Let me know what you think.